Nancy is 16 centimeters shorter than Mitchell. Mitchell is 12 centimeters taller than Lucas. Lucas is 138 centimeters tall. How tall is Nancy? Now, when we read this, we need to make sure that we divide this into two parts. But the first thing that we want to ask ourselves is, what do we know for certain? Do we know how tall Nancy is? No. Do we know how tall Mitchell is? No. Do we know how tall Lucas is? Yes, absolutely, because it says right here. So we're going to use Lucas first. Who is connected to Lucas? Well, let's read this. We see that Mitchell is 12 centimeters taller than Lucas. So those two kids are the two that we're going to use or talk about first. All right? So let's find out how tall Mitchell is first. Mitchell is blank centimeters tall. So we're going to find that out. And our beginning line. And the two that we are using first is Mitchell and Lucas. Let's go ahead and find out who has more and who has less. Well, it says Mitchell is 12 centimeters taller than Lucas. So Mitchell is more, which means Lucas is less. And we already know for sure that Lucas is 138 centimeters tall. And we know that Mitchell is more. So that is our unknown number. And here's our ending line. Okay, so we wrote down Lucas. So where do we write down the 12 centimeters? Right over here, 12 centimeters. So how do we find out how tall Mitchell is? Well, look at the two bars. This is the longer bar for Mitchell, and here is the shorter bar for Lucas. Well, we know that this plus this will equal that bar. So we know that we're supposed to add 138 centimeters plus 12 centimeters, which gives us 150 centimeters tall. So all that was part A. Now let's go ahead and work on part B. Well, we have to figure out how tall Nancy is. Nancy is, not feet, sorry, blank centimeters tall. Okay, who or what is this problem about? Well, we're trying to figure out Nancy, and let's see who Nancy is connected to, or related to, I guess, in the story. So Nancy is 16 centimeters shorter than Mitchell, so let's use Mitchell. Okay, so who has more and who has less? We just said that she's shorter than Mitchell, so Mitchell is more. Let me scoot the screen over a little bit. Oh, I can't scoot it. Okay, we'll just work on this as it is. So Mitchell is more. We know that he is 150 centimeters tall. Nancy is less, and she is our unknown number. Here's our ending line, and we have to make sure that we put in the fact that she is 16 centimeters shorter than Mitchell. Okay, so we know it's a subtraction because she's shorter than Mitchell. 150 centimeters minus 16 centimeters. Let's regroup. So we have 4 ones, we have 3 tens, and 100. Nancy is 134 centimeters tall. And that is how you figure out how tall Nancy, Mitchell, and Lucas are.